No, that sounds good.
That's not bad, yeah.
I'm telling you, it sounds stock until you get on it.
Yeah.
Do a little of that. We don't want to annoy the neighbors.
Sounds really good under load.
Sounds good. Yeah,
It sounds good under load, and it'll sometimes it shoots flames out because I don't have a cat. It's pretty sweet.
Sweet.
if I downshift into like first at like 50 or something, and it really doesn't like that, it'll just wah!
You know what you should do? Put a spark plug with a like a igniter. Yeah.
You want to drive this thing around and get a feel for the?
Sure.
You're gonna have to like completely like jam the seat back.
You need a really strong forearm. I tried it one time. Oh, did you find that? So you have stock seats here?
Yeah, stock seats. I can take the top off. It'll make it easier.
I'll control it. Let's get a hold of it. I don't know if this makes sense. See, when I have to recover out with mine and I have to take my wallet out, it's not on the wallet, isn't it? Yeah. You know, with those seats, I don't see how you guys can get into them now a little bit. I can't really get into it. Well, that's why having no top is freaking awesome, because I just come up and down. Yeah.
Who is it?
Sorry. Would it be easier without a top?
Oh, of course it would.
Just imagine having a helmet on.
It's very funny.
Getting out the
One thing I
driveway.
can say.
Well,
Like if you get the urethane mount of the...
Let's ride that clutch.
well, it was some guy that I knew on band. I don't know if he's still like in the whatever, but he had it for like sale, but then I offered to trade him a set of door bars. So he went for the trade because I didn't have money to buy the exhaust. I mean, it's a rare exhaust.
Wow. I'm impressed.
Who's it? Yeah, at least I would go.
I like it like that, man.
Yeah.
You know, do something with the fender, the well there. You know, maybe.
At some point, it's gonna have some double the cylinders involved, and you guys wait for that, all right? Deadline end of next year.
Okay, more cylinders next year.
More cylinders.
All right.
Nope. No emissions testing in Wisconsin.
All right. Here it comes.
In the county.
He doesn't seem to be worried about it.
Yeah, it's back it up. I don't know what it is.
He ain't worried about it.
Yeah, forward. Go forward.
See? Look at him. See? That's why I stepped first time through this guy. Holy shit.
Hey, my fans are on. I was having issues with it.
You gotta go in sideways, man. Just stay there. Stop. Stop.
Right there.
I gotta see him get out. All right, there you go.
This was on purpose. Pleasure to get out.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, when you try to like